cafes added some visual interest with both orange and grapefruit segments. Looks like it's a relic.
Looking forward for the amazing day ahead of us and appreciating, of course, our crew members' efforts to make you feel like home away from home. Ship's current time, 9:58 a.m., 2 minutes before 10, and today is Friday, the 24th day of February 2023. And it's the World's Bartender Day today, so drink to celebrate with the bartenders. Navigational info: since we left Miami, we have covered a distance of 311 nautical miles, and we still need to cover 691 to reach to New York.
Board game is actually kind of fun. I told my dad that we need to get it for family game night because it's like the type of game that my family would enjoy.
Yeah, I definitely do not know that guy.
It's very crowded out here, but I found a space. So this is the drink of the day. They ran out of the watermelon one. I decided I'm going to do kind of like a bar crawl walk. So basically trying to hit up to see how many bars I can get through. Today I'm at 3rd. So the first one was from breakfast, the second one was the spicy H2O, and then this one is the outdoors mojito bar. So I'm going to continue on. I did. Moved on to bar number 4. This is the rye and rum sour. It's a cocktail on tap from the Sunset Bar. Okay, so I don't think I'd explained it very well out there, plus it was kind of loud. So I think I'm going to be trying to go to most of the bars, probably not all of them because some of them are located in like the specialty dining areas. I'm going to try to go to most of them today and tomorrow because we have 2 more days at sea before we're back to New York. And so far today I've gone to 4. So I went to the Mix Bar, which is in between Taste and Savor, which is the main dining room. I also went to the Spicy H2O, which is like by the adults only pool area. And then I also went to the outdoor mojito bar, and right now I'm in the Sunset Bar, which is actually kind of my favorite area. It's kind of more loungy. And just as a tip, if you're here as well, you might want to try the cocktails on tap because the ones that are mixed are kind of usually very sugary. So that's just my opinion. This one is the Saturn Landing, which is gin, and I don't know what the other one is, Velvet Falnerum. But yeah, this one sounds quite nice, and the garnishes are really on point today. Okay, we're at Ocean, so this is the Saturn Landing still. My friend got the Glacier Blue, so that one's on tap. I haven't tried it yet, so I was planning on getting it, but you know, nothing happened. Peach Bellini from the Bar 21, which is in the casino. This is that Tropicana room. They changed out the art again. A big hit in the book exchange, but they also have the Twilight series. Very niche, very, very niche. So we haven't been to the Illusionarium yet, which is like outside of the library card room area, but it has some like calipers. I don't know why that's there. But it looks like this, and they do have a fee associated with some of the events here, and if you don't cancel in time, you do get charged the fee, just so you know. Greek. And yet another bar. This is the Atrium Bar. So I have a lemon drop martini, and my friend got a margarita. Okay, so now we are at the bar by the Garden Cafe buffet area / in between like there and the pool. And they have fresh squeezed juices in the morning, which is $3. Called Mule and Club Soda. Since there are no kids in here, I'm going to show you. This is the kids pool area. So there's like a splash pad, a little bit of a wading pool area with a little bit of a slide, a small slide. And then these are the bigger water slides. There's some for like kids-ish area and then also some for adults. And there are also outdoor showers in here as well. Okay, so we're at the Waves Bar, which is the pool bar, and they have daiquiris and pina coladas. They also have on tap, you can't see it here, the margarita and the Diva Mama Mama. We're going to try not get people in, but there's the pool and there's some adult hot tubs on both sides. My friend is a trooper, even though she didn't sign up for the task. She got a strawberry daiquiri. I don't remember if I told you about these yet, but they do have these. I can't think of what they're actually called, but you don't have to pay for them, and so they're kind of nice at the airport or like nearby land. We're also not at night. We made it into the Tropicana room. So this is the main dining room, and it does have some live music. This is the gnocchi. This is an extremely large portion, but I got the Hungarian goulash. But the noodles look good. And this is the linguine with the little neck clams. This is the strawberry rhubarb crisp. This is the mojito fruit salad. Okay, so that is going to be the end of day 7. A couple of quick things that I remember from the day. Number 1, this is the kind of nearing the end of the cruise, which means all of the teens and all of the kids have been making friends in the various clubs the entire time. So you can definitely feel the presence, especially of the teens. They just travel in packs everywhere. So other than that, sea day was kind of uneventful. We started off the day with breakfast in the main dining room. So there's 3 main dining rooms. They're all complimentary and included in your fare. The specialty dining is not included, but you can have the free at sea if they're offering it still. And you get 2 specialty dinings for the first 2 people on the reservation throughout the cruise, especially I think it's like if it's over 7 days. Regardless, we got 2 because our cruise was actually 8 days. So on top of that, I decided to kind of do a little bit of a bar crawl on my own. My friend joined me for a few of the bars and kind of like popped in and out throughout the day. Other than that, I kind of just hung out, explored the ship, read a lot. So my cruise reads were, I'll try to link them below if you also want to have some trashy cruise reads. I was reading Spare by Prince Harry, and then the other one I was reading was a Kathy Griffin book because I had watched a video on YouTube before the cruise that said that in her book, it was something like A to Z, I don't know, it had A to Z in the title of the book. But in the video I watched, it said that she predicted the downfall of so many things that had happened, or so many actors and actresses who had had downfalls in 2022 and 2023. So I thought that that would have been a really nice, like really light-hearted sort of cruise read. So again, I'll try to link those below if you want to see if they have them at your library or on Kindle or something like that. If you do Kindle, I think I might get a small commission if you decide to buy it through there, but just letting you know there. Otherwise, a couple of tips. Number 1, if you're nearing the end of the cruise and it's a sea day, definitely consider making your dining reservations earlier because the specialty dining especially was very, very packed because I think a lot of people were like, oh shoot, we have to use up these specialty dining credits. The other thing is the main dining rooms were also very packed because, again, it was like people were kind of getting tired of eating at the buffet, it felt like, and maybe they wanted a little bit more of a relaxing time. So definitely consider booking those as well. And then, again, this is day 7, and we have one more sea day after this, and then it's the disembarkation day or debarkation. I don't know which one is accurate, but that is when they put out the tags for your luggage to make sure you have the time when you're going to get off the ship. So I would recommend checking around, hovering around the like help desk area and checking it out, because as soon as they run out of the special color tags, you might not be able to get out in the time that you want to get out, especially if you are not going to be bringing your bags off yourself. So the night before, you kind of pack and you put your stuff out, and then the cabin crew kind of takes care of it for you, and that will be when you have that disembarkation time tag. So we ended up choosing the brown tag, which was the last one off the ship. We wanted a really relaxing day. We all live in the tri-state area. Actually, no, my friend lives in Delaware. And we just kind of were like, well, we may as well just relax here. And we wanted to have the final breakfast in the dining room. But yeah, anyway, that was everything. Thank you again for watching. Definitely consider subscribing if you want to see more videos like this. Also, if you want to see more travel vlogs, I have quite a few travel vlogs coming out very shortly. I traveled a lot during the summer. I went to Korea and I went to Germany, and I also traveled a lot domestically as well, so those will be coming out shortly as well. And I'll also get back to my work week in my life and the videos like that because I did get a job. So thank you again for watching. Follow me over on Instagram at Eat Stretch Explore, and I will see you again soon. Bye.